here there are the three types of editors and one editor for IDLE, one for IDE, one for online editors and without installation you can use the online editors also. Three types of IDLE, IDE and online editor. Three types of editors. What is IDLE? IDLE stands for simple and only integrated development learning environment. It is used only for the learners. Only for the learners. IDLE stands for integrated development. This is the development learning environment. Learning. This is called as an environment. This is called as an environment. Integrated development learning environment. Environment. It's only for the learners and this is only for starting. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Here only you can run only Python programs. In IDLE, we can develop only Python programs. That's all. That is the important point. We can develop only Python programs. What is IDLE? IDE stands for, here the same concept. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. In IDE, we can develop not only Python programs, only we can develop Python programs and HTML programs, okay, CSS programs, JavaScript programs. We can develop any programs and any type, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript programs. Okay, we can develop the JavaScript programs. This is the IDE using for completely IDLE, not IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. In Python, in IDE, we can develop Python programs as well as HTML, CSS, JavaScript programs. Okay, Django applications, and Flask, Django, Flask, Angular, okay, and so on, and the SQL applications, SQL programs, and so on, etc. We can develop the C programs, we can develop the C++, we can develop the Java programs anywhere, and these are the IDEs. Three types of environments. One IDE for IDLE environment, one for IDE environment. In this IDLE, what is the difference between IDLE and IDE? In IDLE, we can develop only Python. In IDE, we can develop Python programs, also HTML programs, also CSS programs, also JavaScript, also Django, Flask, Angular, SQL, C, C++, MySQL, and all these applications. We can develop any application, SQL, SQLite, okay, and so on. Number of examples, C, Java, Pascal, COBOL, all applications. And VC++, there are the different programming languages, Perl application. Okay, Visual Studio, we can run the Visual Studio. Using Visual Studio, we can run 250 types of programs. And using Visual Studio, we can develop the 250 above programs. That is what is the online editors. Online editors without software installation. Okay, here without software installation, we can run Python programs. That is the concept. We can develop running only not the storing only because of it is online, but not the permanent storing. Only for if you want permanent storing, go for GitHub space that is a different story. So these are the three types of editors. So IDLE you know already. So this is the IDLE, and this is called as the IDLE. Here is a latest version Python version. The latest version Python 3.9.0. So these are the tags permission symbols, which is released in the October 5th. Now October 19th today, it was developed only the 5 days back, 10 days back. That is only for the 3.9 latest version only. So releasing date, time, and so on. So 3 greater than symbols. This is called as a Python IDLE. Most of the using only for IDLE. So what are the IDEs? This is very important. What are the top IDEs in Python? Top IDEs in Python. The top IDEs in Python. Number one top IDE is the first IDE for as a Python developer. The first IDE for PyCharm. The PyCharm just normally P is capital and the C also capital. That is not compulsory, but as per beginning and it, the top ID for Python is number 1 for PyCharm, number 2 for Spider, Spider ID, and the number 2 for Spider ID, number 3 for and Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter, number 4 for Atom ID, fourth one for Atom ID, and the fifth one for Anaconda ID, Anaconda ID, and the sixth one for VS Code ID. Sector casual cheptunalema Sunil. This is for the fifth or sixth one for VS Code ID, and the seventh one already ideally make idea of the. So now the seventh one for Tony. These are the different IDs Tony, and one more ID Notepad also. You can develop the program in Notepad also, and Notepad plus also. Notepad plus. These all are the IDs, and one for Sublime Text also one ID, and 11th one for WebStorm also one ID, and another ID for the Vim is also one ID, and another ID for and one more ID, and one more ID for Eclipse. Eclipse is also ID. These are the different IDs. So IDLE one environment, IDE one environment, online editor is a one environment, 3 environments. And this online editor for without installation we can run the Python program. This is not suitable for you. You are suitable for only IDLE or IDE. So IDLE means integrated development learning environment. It is used to develop all the applications, not only Python. We can develop all these applications, not the Python. All the IDLE for only Python. Develop IDLE for only Python. These are the top IDLEs, top Python IDEs. These are the top Python IDEs. These are the top IDEs in Python. Top 10 IDs or 9 IDs or 13 IDs. Top 10 and got 2 or 3 addresses. So these are called as IDLE PyCharm. So what is the PyCharm? I will explain one by one, and no problem. The first one is the PyCharm ID. So what is PyCharm ID? What is PyCharm ID? Yes, the main purpose in the developers in the that is the first one is the PyCharm ID. I will explain one by one. First one for PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE, integrated development environment for. This is not for the beginners only. It is used for the complete professional developers. It is created by our developers, sir. It is created by JetBrains. JetBrains is a company known for creating great software development tool that is using for Python. Software development tool, that is the Python tools in Python. It is a best tool for developing the Python. So it is this is the company name is JetBrains. What is the company name, Andy? The company name JetBrains, a company known for creating great software development tools. One more tool for they develop this. This is the PyCharm first. And the second one is Spider, sir. What is Spider? Spider full form, it is the first. What is the full form? Spider stands for scientific Python development environment. Allow Spider. So this is for the environment. S scientific. P for Python. PY Python. S for science. Development DE, and here R for environment. This is for the scientific Python. Please wait. So now this is the scientific Python development environment. Spider stands for the scientific Python development environment. So the purpose of which is used mainly for to develop the scientific applications. Okay, development environment written in Python for designing and for only for the scientific purpose, only for the mathematical and scientific application. It can be integrated. It can be integrated with wherever unnayandi. Another one is what is called matplotlib. One module. Matplotlib is also one module. SciPy is also one module. And another one is NumPy is also one module. Pandas is also one module. These modules are mainly used for the data science. These modules are mainly used for data science. Okay, Python. Okay, now so these are the scientific Python. So scientific Python development environment. This is mainly used and designed for to develop. Okay, it is mainly used for to develop scientific and mathematical applications. Only for that is very suitable and easy applications. These automatically internally integrated with Matplotlib, SciPy, NumPy, and Pandas modules. This is very useful for this environment is useful for completely for to develop the data science applications and artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning, deep learning, AI applications purpose we can use the Spider environment. So now the third one is the third one? The third one for Jupyter. Third one for Jupyter is also one environment. It is also one environment. So Jupyter different and Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is known as open source. It is not a permanent license and it is also open source web application that allows you to create and share, creating and sharing documents, creating and sharing documents. Document means notebooks that contain a live code. That is the main purpose. And so this is mainly used for. Okay, this is mainly used for. It is mainly used for. Okay, mathematical equations. It's also mainly used for the mathematical equations, visualization, data visualizations, and text. Data visualization. Wait, 1 minute. Data visualization is also mainly used for the data visualization. That means graphs and text purpose. This is mainly Jupyter notebooks is used for the text code mainly. Text that is the fourth one. Third one. These are the PyCharm is also one environment. Jupyter is also one environment. Atom is also one environment. The another one is also for Atom environment. So what is the Atom environment, sir? It is also one environment and I will explain one. We display what chepista and install what chedam. Okay, now what is the Atom? Atom is a free and open source. Ivanni kuda free and open source applications without any licenses, without any cost and free and open source application. This is a website, free and open source text and source code editor. It is also text and source code editor. Using Atom, we can develop the HTML program. Using Atom, we can develop the CSS, JavaScript, Python, and Django applications also. Okay, the Atom is a free and open source text and source code editor for Windows కావచ్చు. సో మనం కూడా ఉపయోగించుకోవచ్చు. మనకే కాదనే రూల్ ఏం లేదండి. మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ విండోస్ వాళ్ళు కూడా వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అండ్ మ్యాక్ ఓఎస్ వాళ్ళు వాడుకోవచ్చు. మ్యాక్ ఓఎస్ ఒక ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, లైనక్స్ వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, అండ్ యూనిక్స్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, రైట్, యూనిక్స్ with support for plugins అంటాం. plugins written in Node.js and embedded with Git control developed by GitHub and is also developed by GitHub వాళ్ళు develop చేశారు. This is for the Atom purpose. Atom, that is the fourth editor is also important editor. If you are using the Angular gani and Flask kelna, Node, Django kelna, ikkadiki kelna, we are using Atom also. Atom environment. Next month Django ki veltam kabatti ekkadayina cheyachani cheptunnanu jagrata vinandi. Okay, and only Python you can use only for IDLE, no problem. This is for IDLE and we can develop the IDLE applications, no problem. But after Python, we are using the HTML, we are using the CSS, JavaScript code, Angular code, Flash code, Django code. Okay, you can use any one editor, not all only. You can use any one editor, but the PyCharm is best. Okay, but the large applications, okay, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science applications, by using Spider or Notebook. Okay, so this is also for Atom. Atom is mainly used to develop the developed by this developed by GitHub company. And Anaconda is also very important. So only Notebook and Anaconda is also available. Anaconda. It is very easy and simple. Anaconda sir, Python sir. No, Anaconda is a free. It is also a free and open source. It's also a free and open source without any applications and without any cost, and free and open source distribution. Free and open source purpose. Distribution of the languages. For which purpose? Distribution of the Anaconda is a free and open source distribution for the programming languages. So which programming languages in Anaconda we can use the Python and R. Programming languages for Python and R programming languages. R programming languages for scientific computing, and it is also for scientific computing, scientific development and computing and scientific development applications like data science applications, okay, and machine learning applications, and deep learning applications, and artificial intelligence applications, ఈ పర్పస్ లో మనం ఉపయోగిస్తామండి. ఎంత లార్జ్ డేటా అయినా తీసుకుంటుంది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ సింపుల్ డేటా అని టు డెవలప్ ద లార్జ్ స్కేల్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ప్రాసెసింగ్ జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అప్లికేషన్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ మెయిన్లీ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ it is mainly used to develop large scale data processing. Large scale data processing, that is very important. If you have a large scale data processing, for example, corona cases is a large scale data processing. That's why you are using the Anaconda. Now clear? Now very good. The next concept, the sixth one, VS Code. Most of the students are also using VS Code, and Sony and the remaining parts are also using for simply VS Code. Now the VS Code is the sixth one. Sir, what is the VS Code? VS Code stands for, first, what is VS Code? Visual Studio Code. Here we can develop many programming languages. We can develop in the Visual Studio Code. In VS Code, we can develop even programs later. We can develop Python programs. Okay, Python program, R language program, C language program, C++ language program, Java programs, HTML programs, CSS programs, JavaScript programs, okay, and Django programs, and Flask programs, and Angular applications, and React applications, and so on number of applications. Develop using VS Code. Using VS Code environment, you can develop any environment. It is also an open source environment development for. This was developed by the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This is called as a Visual Studio Code. VS Code is an open source. It is not a money, and without money we are using the open source environment. It is completely for open source environment. It was developed by ఎవరండి ఇక్కడ Microsoft. So అందుకని అందరూ ఉపయోగించుకుంటాం. It was developed by Microsoft. So this IDE is completely specially for this IDE. Purpose is development of Visual Studio Code based on the Electron. It is a framework to deploy the Node.js application also. So this is not a environment directly. It is a one framework. You can use the all the applications. Okay. This IDE can be used. Okay. This IDE can be used for Python development. Now the next one, VS Code is based on VS Code. VS Code is based on Electron framework. Electron framework, which is a framework, just like Internet a framework to deploy Node.js applications also. Node.js application. That is the best environment for Node.js applications. So manaki Node.js ledu mana vaadamani. That is the different concept. Okay. And what is the seventh point? What is the seventh one? The seventh one is Thony. Thony is also very good and easy application to develop. It is also a notepad. It is also an open source application. And here Thony is a Python. It is a very easy application. Python dedicated IDE that comes with the Python 3 onwards. That comes with before leadandi Python 3 built-in. That comes with the Python 3. That comes with the Python 3 built-in. The environment that comes with the Python 3 built-in. Okay. Now that's a very okay. Now Thony is intended for completely for beginners and beginners say the user interface is only for the beginners and ideally Thony completely used for the user interface. The user interface is kept simple and easy. Simple. So that beginners will find it easy to get started. These are the IDEs for different IDEs. Okay. And one more IDE for Notepad. And one more IDE for Notepad++. These are all the Notepad and Notepad++. These are the next IDEs. Both are same. Notepad and Notepad++ IDEs. Sir, what is the Notepad and Notepad++? So it is only for the Notepad. And please observe this. Here I will click this one and this is for completely for Notepad. Please observe this point. In the Notepad also we can develop the Python code. In Notepad also we can develop the Python code. So develop how to develop the Python code in Notepad. So this is on Notepad and this is Notepad. For example, we can develop the Python code. Print off. Okay. Hello friends. Hi. Okay. For example, print off. Okay. Welcome to Notepad environment. Welcome to Notepad. For example, this is one simple code. It is a Python code. It is a Python code. Print off. Okay. Welcome to Django developers. For example. Okay. Welcome to Django developers. This is the Python code and you can develop in the Notepad also. This is for completely for Notepad. This is complete Notepad. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ ఏమైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉందా బోర్ కానీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉందా ఈజ్ యూస్ఫుల్ అండి మీకే వినిపిస్తుందా ఫస్ట్ అందరికి శ్రీకాంత్ ఓకే అర్థమవుతుందా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేదు ఎవరికి ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ అండ్ మీకు వెళ్ళిన ఏ ఐడి వాడుతున్నారంటే సార్ మా సార్ ఏం చెప్పలేదండి అంతా అయిపోయింది పైథాన్ నేను ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్ కొనాలి ఇంకోటి చేశాను సార్ ఏం చెప్పలేదండి బాగోదు నాకు కూడా అందుకనేసి అవన్నీ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా వినండి మీ అదృష్టం ఏంటంటే నాకు ఫార్మాట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది సిస్టమ్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా అన్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తాను ఈరోజు అందుకోసమని మీకు చెప్తున్నా కూడా రెండు కలిసి వస్తాయండి నాకు కూడా సునీల్ అంతే కదా సునీల్ అవునా సునీల్ ఇంటర్లో ఎక్కడో రైట్ అండి అవును కదా రైట్ ఓకే సో దిస్ ఇస్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అండి నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాశాం దీన్ని ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి సార్ హరీష్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ నడా హరీష్ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అసలు ఉన్నాడు ఓకే సో ఈ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని పైథాన్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేయాలి ఓకే ఇది నోట్ ప్యాడ్ కదా పైథాన్ అసలు రియల్ గా మన పైథాన్ ఎక్కడ ఉందండి మన పైథాన్ ఎక్కడుంది ఎక్కడుంది దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ పైథాన్ ఇది మన పాత్ అండి. మన పైథాన్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూసుకోండి. పాత్ ఇది పైథాన్ పాత్. ఎక్కడ పాత్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? OOP ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దట్ ఇస్ ద నేమ్ అండి. C:/users. Okay, this is the path of the Python path అండి. C:/appdata/appdata/local/appdata/Python/Python 39 is our path అండి. ఇది నా పైథాన్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అయింది. ఇది పైథాన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈ పాత్ లో ఉంది, చూసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ పాత్ అండి. సో వీఆర్ డెవలపింగ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ ఫర్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్. ఈ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ డెవలప్ చేశారు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ద నోట్ ప్యాడ్. జాగ్రత్తగా ఇది నోట్ ప్యాడ్ డెవలప్ చేశారు. This is the save as without no name అండి. This is for the title, no title. Please observe this point. We are developing one application that is a notepad, no title, untitled. The symbol is called as a untitled. So we can develop the Python code. This is not a HTML. Okay, if you are using HTML, okay, and the HTML/HTML, the extension is .html. This program is run in the web browser. Either browser means either Microsoft Edge or Chrome or any place we can develop this application. This is executed only by web browser and Notepad or Notepad Plus. But it is a Python code. This Python code is executed. So save as. Okay, save as. But here the path is very important. So this is my path and this is my path. See users, but without the path is not available. So now the copy this path here. After copy this path, this is the path. And okay. After copying the path, okay. So now we can specify the path and we can run the code to all files. This is called as a, for example, test.py. The program name is test.py. The name of the program is test.py or the sample.py. This is a Python code. Actually, it is a code only. So without any name, here it is untitled. జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలండి ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ మొత్తం వినండి అందరూ. సో ఇది untitled. This is a code for untitled. Without name. Please wait for 1 minute. Okay, without name and ikkada untitled, without any name, untitled notepad. So we can save the file, not save and save as. Here we can specify the path, Python version path. So we can change the save type as all files, not the text file. Save type as all files. This is a test.py or another way is a sample.py. You can run the sample.py or test.py. Okay. Click it. So this is a program to save. The name of the file is here. It is called as a sample. Sir, how to run this program, sir? How to run this program? That is a very important point. How to run this program? So this program is running by go to the command prompt. First, go to command prompt. Here the command prompt is required. Go to the command prompt. Okay. What is the path and what is our path? Ekadunna mana path ekada path ekada C lo users lo admin lo. Okay. This is our path and this is our real path. So we can change the directory C admin users. So now the app data CD local and CD programs. Okay, CD Python and CD Python 39. This is our file. So the file is stored here only. File name is sample.py. Sample S. Okay. So we are here start.py. This file name is here. There are 2 or 3 files only. Okay. This is the path.py, oops.py. Another one is sample.py. This file is created 19/10/2028 840. The file name is sample.py. Now run this program. How to run this program, sir? The entire code is available in sample.py. This is the real sample.py file. Okay, now run this code. How to run this code? And okay, Python sample.py. So the code is executed. Hi, welcome to Notepad and Django developer. Code is executed automatically. Please check the output and be careful. So Python, we can use the code for Python sample.py. This is very helpful and useful. Python sample.py. Clear, please observe this point. Python sample.py. Okay, na leda andar clear adhamainda leda? Right? Python sample.py. How to run the program? Python sample or one is simple. Py sample.py. Simple. Without Python is not required. Hi, welcome to Notepad environment. Welcome to Django developers. Okay, or we can change the nodes also. Here, a simple program. A equal to int of input of enter first number. Enter the first number. Okay. Okay. Now B equal to int of input of enter second number. Enter the second number. C equal to A plus B and the print of C. You can develop the notepad. Here it is notepad. Completely notepad. Okay, please save it. Please save it. After saving, go to command prompt and run it. Sample.py. After saving and sample.py, enter first number. We are asking the input from the first number. It is the first number. Enter the first number. Here the output is enter the first number. Okay. Enter the first number. The first number is 20. Enter the second number immediately. The second number equal to 3. And the result equal to 28. Please check it. Result equal to 28 is also one program. So using programs, programming also. Develop the notepad only. This environment is only for completely notepad environment. Notepad and notepad plus plus. These two are also used to, these are also environment. These environment, notepad and notepad plus plus. 8th and 9th is both are same only. 8th and 9th. Notepad is up to this point. Both are same notepad and notepad plus plus. These two environments. Okay. Now these two separate and both are equal. And these two environments are used to develop the okay Python code. Python code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, okay, and so on. JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and so on, etc. to develop all these applications. These are also very useful to developers because of it is a .txt file. It is a text file completely. Okay, and another one for one more. The ideally Tony and one more. That is the 10th one. So it is also one important concept, and that is also a Sublime text. 10th environment for Sublime text. This is for the Sublime text. The Sublime text is also it's also a top IDE. Okay, it's also a top IDE to develop the different codes. And here, not only the Sublime text editor. The Sublime text editor. Okay, is a popular code editor. The popular code editor that supports many languages, not only one language, not only Python, and that supports many languages. Okay, many languages, and so including the Python, okay, Python and so on. Okay, so now it was okay. What is the main and it's long. It supports very fast, main for fast, highly customizable, and as a community. Okay, it is also a community. It has the basic built-in support for Python. So it's developed system and the 11th one. Okay, go to the anyone. 11th one, WebStorm. It's a WebStorm Vim Eclipse. A WebStorm also developed by JetBrains. The WebStorm. It is developed by okay, JetBrains, and you are JetBrains company. Just JetBrains company. It is a open source. Is right. It is a open source editor. It is a open source editor to develop Python programs, to develop and run Python code, and all of the Python code. That is very useful. These are the top environments. Okay, and Vim is also one environment. Eclipse. These are also used for most of the top 10 IDs. These all are the top 10 IDs. That's very important. Top 10 IDs. Vim is also for development in web. Eclipse also is to develop the Java and all these applications. So now 12th and 13th, Vib and Vim. Vim is also an environment, and Eclipse also. I will show you one by one, and please wait for 3 minutes. So first of all, go to Google. Okay, you can use the Google. Okay, one by one editors. For example, what is PyCharm? So that is the PyCharm. Next one is the PyCharm. The first editor is the PyCharm editor. Enter. PyCharm. So it was developed by the JetBrains company. So now the JetBrains.com. The Python IDLE for developers. This is the developers for IDLE. So run it. Okay, here PyCharm. This is for the complete PyCharm identity. PyCharm. So here we are using the PyCharm. So download it and download Python for professional developers. Professional. There are the two types and here there are the two types only. So one is wait 1 minute. Go to back. Okay. Okay. Here we are using the two types of edition, not only one edition. So click it. Go to the JetBrains.com. www.jetbrains.com and click the download PyCharm. It is very important. Click the download PyCharm. PyCharm, the Python IDE for professional developer, only for professional here. Here you want to decide the anyone which one. So download the PyCharm. Download the PyCharm. So these are the two versions, and you can use the download directly download it. By default for downloading for professional edition. What is the professional edition? Here the two versions and two editions. One edition is community edition, one for professional. One for professional. What is community edition? To develop only for Python code. To develop only for Python code. Not all the code, only for Python code. To develop only for Python code here. Okay, clear. This is for the Python code only. Here to develop the professional edition. Okay, professional edition means so for both scientific and web development. Web development automatically Django, Flask, Angular. So with HTML, JavaScript code and SQL. Okay, you can install any one, either professional or community. So this is for PyCharm. Okay, I will explain one by one, no problem. Please wait for a few minutes. And the next one is what is the next one, Andy? The next one for Spider. Okay, Spider. So to download the Spider also. Okay, now okay, this is for Spider. Spider okay, environment. Spider ID, not the movie and the Spider editor. You can use the Spider editor. So this is our Spider editor. Spider.home id.org. What is the Spider editor? So you can download it. You can download you go to downloading part, download the editor complete for only for the Python, the scientific Python development environment. Okay, what is Spider? The scientific Python development environment. Scientific PY for Python, D for development, DE for development, R for environment. R for the environment. So here download. Okay, here this is for downloading. Please click and download. If you are required for Spider, please click and download it. That is a Spider. Okay. And another one. Okay, another one for Jupyter. It is very easy to develop the Jupyter Notepad also. Okay, pip install direct to Jupyter also, or to download the both two ways and can develop this in the two ways and either. Okay, so wait for 1 minute. Okay, Jupyter environment, the Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook. Now to use your new environment, Jupyter notebooks. Open the notebook application, click the new button, open new button. With working with the environments for Anaconda. So now click it. This is for Jupyter and I will explain like this Jupyter. It is called as a Jupyter environment. These all are the Jupyter environment. Please click and downloading also possible by using the Jupyter environment also. Please wait for 1 minute. Okay. Yes. In Anaconda, there are the different environments. Okay, so one question for Sunil is asking one question. Okay, now the latest is the Spider and Jupyter is available in Anaconda. Yes, in Anaconda, there are the different environments are available. In Anaconda, Spider is available. In Anaconda, Spider is available. Jupyter is available. In Jupyter Lab is available. Jupyter Notebook is available. The notebook is available. In Anaconda, VS Code is also available. VS Code is also available. That is possible only in Anaconda. In Anaconda is also VS Code also available in Anaconda. So that's why if you install the Anaconda, automatically available in the Spider and Jupyter also. Both these two are also available. Most of the applications are available. Okay, and the next one I will install Anaconda. Please wait for a few minutes. So already, so Anaconda. Atom is also Atom. Is only for the complete for. Here it is Atom. Also Atom. Atom environment. So Atom is a desktop application. So this is the symbol for Atom. మీరు అన్ని డెవలప్ చేసుకోండి అన్న మీరు మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో అన్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని ఒకదాన్ని ఒక రకంగా చెక్ చేసి చూసుకోండి రాకపోతే నేను అడగండి నేను చెప్తాను సో ఇట్ ఈస్ Atom is a desktop application built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Node.js. It is electronic framework for building class platform application. So it was developed by the Git control, GitHub. Okay, that is completely for Atom only. Okay, one more editor. Okay, and Thony. It is also very easy. It is used for only for the beginners. Thony environment, easy only. Develop the Thony environment. Thony IDE. The IDE install it. Thony IDE. So now here the Thony.org. To download the website by using the Thony.org. Thony. Okay, Thony editor. It is available. It is available. Okay, for the website www.thony.org. And PyCharm is available. PyCharm is available. It was developed by the JetBrains, so it is available in the JetBrains.co. Okay. It is downloaded. It is better. It is downloaded by the website, by the following website. www.jetbrains.co. Now here the PyCharm is available in the two types. Now the PyCharm is available for two types only. Right? It's very important. One for this is for professional edition. Okay, and the second one community edition. It is available for two editions. It is available for editions. Two versions kaadandi editions ani. Version is different, edition is different. Two editions, one is the professional edition, and one is the community. Sir, what is professional edition? It is used to develop. It is used to professional edition. Now the professional edition. This is very, very useful and but meeku ela anpistundo naakaiతే chaala useful meeku anpiste cheptunna ido cheppalani. So professional edition, it is used to develop ఏమేం డెవలప్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఏమి కొత్తగా రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో డౌన్లోడ్ లోకి వెళ్తే ఇక్కడ కాపీ చేసి ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసి సరిపోతుంది. సో మీకు చేసి చెప్తాను చూడండి. సో మనం కొత్తగా ఏమి నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. This is for professional edition. This professional edition to develop the application. And now with HTML and okay, it is developed for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, CSS and SQL support. And it is used to the community edition. It is used to develop in an interview blind develop wait 1 minute. This is not required for pure Python development. And for pure Python development and only Python code. This is for Python. Sorry, only Python chasta. I don't want any other code on develop. It is used to develop for pure Python development. Only Python code are not chala slogan neat ga untundi. Memory ekku but spaces is required more memory. So these are the now Thony already completed. The last Thony is completed. Okay, and go for Anaconda. Sir, how to install the Anaconda? That is very important. If you install the Anaconda, automatically available. Chala untayi manaki andulo automatic. So download Anaconda for Windows. Automatically download Anaconda for Windows. Anaconda.com. It's an individual edition or this also Anaconda documentation is not required, and these are all are not required. And we can download the Anaconda. Okay, download open source Anaconda is individual edition for us most build, distribute, install, update, and manage softwares for the class platform. Okay, and Anaconda Navigator, both are same. And download Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda Navigator for Windows 10, or 64-bit or 34-bit. Also Anaconda, both are same. And okay, individual edition, click it, Anaconda.com. Okay, you are the, for example, data science purpose. It is mainly used for the data science purpose, data sources, Conda packages. These are the Conda packages, and Anaconda all the packages automatically installed to develop the Python environment. And okay, so run it. Okay, these are the environments. Go to down and so these are the automatically, all these packages are automatically available in the Conda. Anaconda environment. All these are automatically environment are available. So these are the different. And so one for in Conda, if you install the Anaconda, automatically the Jupyter is available. Okay, automatically these all are available inbuilt and inbuilt. Okay, in Conda environment, SciPy is available, Spider is available, NumPy is available, so scikit-learn is available, Panda is available, Panel, Matplotlib, Conda, PyTorch. Okay, these all are the different environments, and these all are the environments available indirectly inbuilt for Conda. So now download it. That is better to download. Okay. So for after downloading, click it Python 3.8 only, but 9 is not available up to here. So Windows version either 64-bit or 34-bit. Now here the 64-bit for 466 MB, 34-bit for 397 MB. Only that is the only difference between the memory occupation and large volume calculations also either 64-bit or 32-bit. Now you can install the 64-bit only. 64-bit now install, click it, and automatically the Conda is downloaded within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So after downloading, okay, when downloading, open when done. Okay, automatically that will be open. Please wait for 2 or 3 minutes maximum. So చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది, జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. Sunil. Anil, Sony, are you clear up to here first of all? Remaining okay now?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Please wait for a few minutes because of the Conda is installed, Anaconda is installed. So 2020 latest version. After downloading, install the software. It will be available. Maximum the time is only for up to 2 or 3 minutes only. Okay, 467 MB is required. Up to now, the 150 MB are installed, downloaded, and then wait for a few minutes only. So these are the different IDEs in Python. Okay, different IDEs in Python. అందరికి అర్థమైంది అనుకున్నాను. ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉందా? Clear or not? అందరు. So these are the top 10 IDEs, top 15 IDEs, top 10 IDEs for PyCharm, Spider, Jupyter, Atom, Anaconda, VS Code. ఇది కొత్తగా చెప్పాను అనుకున్నా, మీకు ఎవరికి ఇది చేయాల. నోట్ప్యాడ్ అండ్ నోట్ప్యాడ్++ లో లేదండి. టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్ అండ్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? ఆల్రెడీ మీ దగ్గర ఉంది కదా. Execute by using the command prompt only. By using the command prompt pyr Python file name. What is the syntax and Python file name? Automatically the program is executed. The entire code will be executed automatically. And the values and please wait for a few minutes. Download అవుతుంది అనుకున్నాను, చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, దగ్గరికి వచ్చిందండి. Only for left for 56 seconds only. Please wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Maximum 1 minute only. So after downloading, last help or check here we are requiring the 64-bit or 34-bit. That is very important. Otherwise you cannot download the Anaconda document because we install in the number of environments automatically inbuilt for Anaconda. Inbuilt Anaconda. Okay, you have to wait for only for 10 seconds. Okay, now the install downloaded is completed. So open, download, completing, and install it. After downloading, Okay, opening when complete and చెప్పించామండి. Complete కాగానే open completed, automatically it will be installed. Wait for few minutes because it is a large number of volume and the time తీసుకుంటది. Immediately open కాదు మీకు. ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది చూడండి. So now here downloading, this is the downloading. So the Conda is downloading it. This is the downloading point. Please be careful. So setup will guide you through the installation of Anaconda 3 2020 0.07 64-bit. Click next to continue. So click the next to continue. So here that is very important to agree all the terms and conditions of this company. So all are agree, I agree with all the conditions. So required admin privilege only just me recommended. So install both it all users, okay, no problem. So just me only, no problem. Okay, click it next. So now here we can be installed in the C prompt users admin Anaconda 3 is installed. So this is for the destination folder. Click it next button only, you cannot change any one. So space required for 2 GB. The total available space in my hard disk 178 GB. The space is required for the 2.7. So these are not required for you. Simply click the next button only. Okay. Okay. Add Anaconda 3 to my Python path. This is very good, Andy. So not recommended. Instead open Anaconda. So that's not required. This is not required. Okay. Click please install and download it. Install button. Next button. Click the finally install button. The Conda is automatically installed in your laptop. Okay. If you want. Add the path also, but this is for Anaconda 3 path is not required and automatically inbuilt Python software is available in Conda. Okay. Please wait for a few minutes. After downloading, after installation, I will open the Conda environments and write some code also. No problem. Please wait for a few minutes to open the Spider, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, all these IDs and VS Code also available. Almost VS Code is also available in Anaconda. Please check it. This is for installation of Conda environment. Okay, helpful అనుకుంటున్నారా అందరూ? ఏమన్నా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉందా? శ్రీకాంత్, సాహితి, హేమంత్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఉందా? నువ్వు యూజ్ లేదా? సార్ 1 hour వేస్ట్ చేశారు సార్, మాట ఏమంటారా? దిస్ ఇస్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ హరీష్? పల్లవి
చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ సార్. చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్.
ఈ వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ రికార్డింగ్ ఒకసారి స్టోర్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్. ఓకే, రైట్. అందుకే చేశా. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుందని చెప్తున్నా. క్లాస్ 1 hour పోతే పోయింది కంటే దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఐడియాస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. వితౌట్ ఐడియాస్ యూ కెనాట్ లెర్న్ ఎనీ వన్. నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళగానే వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారు మరి నీకు అనకుండా వచ్చా పైథాన్ వచ్చా అంటే తెలియదు కదా. అది సెండ్ ద రికార్డింగ్ ఆల్సో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Please wait for a few minutes. Almost ending question and installation. Wait enough 2 minutes. The last question, but the last within few minutes, installation process is completed, and please wait for a few minutes. So here, please observe this one. All these buttons are disabled. Back button is disabled because of installation process. Next button is disabled. Cancel button is disabled. All these buttons are disabled. You want to show the details also, or these are the files included in your laptop. Install మీ దగ్గరికి తెలియకుండానే కింద డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. సెట్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్యాకేజ్ క్యాచింగ్. So based on your system performance, it will be installed within below 5 minutes or maximum 10 minutes process. scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, VS Code, and Spider, Jupyter, all are available in Anaconda also, no problem. So, and after installation, to create one some folder or some in the desktop, automatically execute it, no problem. అయిపోగానే ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేద్దామని నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో డెస్క్టాప్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ మనకి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోతుంది. చాలా పెట్టాం కదా, అందుకే లేట్ అవుతుంది. 64 బిట్ అన్నాం కదా, ఇది టైం తీసుకుంటాం. ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్. తప్పదుగా ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేయాలి కదా, ఇది రికమెండెడ్. వెయిట్ అండి, 3 minutes అయిపోవచ్చింది. This message is preparing transaction working done. Please wait for few minutes. మీడియా మనం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి, వెయిట్ చేస్తే చాలా. వెయిట్ చేయండి, నమ్మకం 2 minutes ఏం కాదు, అయిపోతుంది. లాస్ట్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ 2 minutes వెయిట్ చేయండి అమ్మా, అయిపోవచ్చింది. లాస్ట్ వచ్చింది. లాస్ట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ 2 minutes ఓన్లీ.
Sir, completed. Hello.
So the process is completed kadandi. Okay, clear. Next, press the next button. Okay, click the next button. Okay, click the next button and finish button. Okay, automatically finish. Press the finish button. Anaconda distribution for success. Okay, this is installed in your laptop. The process is completely executed. Okay, now go to search button. Type it Anaconda prompt or Anaconda navigator and anyone, or spider, anyone. Here to spider also and Anaconda navigator. One click it. Please wait for a few minutes. Automatically, the conda.exe file is executed. All the text files are executed. Please wait for 1 minute. Wait for a few minutes. So to install the Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. This is for complete installation and opening files. So now this is for complete for installations, initializing all the packages and everything. So automatically to open all the application, Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Laptop, Jupyter Lab, Spider, VS Code also, maximum VS Code also inbuilt, loading the different applications. But the opening and running the file is only web browser. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. Installation and downloading, installations and opening. Okay, now we like to improve the Anaconda. Don't show again. Okay, leave it, no problem. So these all are the different editors. So one is for the Jupyter Lab. Okay, this is for the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and Python Shell Farm, R and Ruby Visual Set, and one more for the Spider environment. And go to down and check all these are the arrows. So these are the different. Another one is also available. That is also RStudio. RStudio. These are the different environment. So you can download. Present today topic only for the click the Jupyter Notebook. Please launch and execute it. So web-based interactive computing notebook environment. Develop all these applications in the notebook or Jupyter Lab anyone, and simply you can develop the launching only for which right. Here click the only Jupyter launch. Jupyter Notebook is launching. Wait for a few minutes. You can download the Spider also, no problem. So now here launch this one. Click it and to open the Jupyter Notebook. Open for Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes immediately to open the Jupyter. Okay, this is the process, and the Jupyter is in the last one. Downloading the Jupyter, open the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is open. Okay, automatically open. Please wait for a few minutes. That's all. Wait చేసే ఓపిక ఉండాలి మీకు అంతేనండి. అదే ఓపెన్ అయితే మనం ఏం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే. Okay, ఎక్కడ ఓపెన్ కావాలో అడుగుతుందండి. We want to open this file in Firefox or Google Chrome or something. Okay, Google Chrome. Click it. So it will be in the Google Chrome or any web browser. Now to open this one. So after opening ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుందండి. ఇలా open up. This is also called as an entire Jupyter Notebook. Now click go to the only for simply go to the new button, new Python 3 file. This is for completely for Python 3. New Jupyter Notebook is open. Click for Python 3, new Jupyter environment. This is for the complete environment. Complete Jupyter environment. And Python 3, so file, edit, view, insert cells, kernels, widgets, and all these are, I will explain one by one and no problem. After this is the one very simple. Print hello, hello, okay, and print off, okay. Welcome to Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Now how to run, and after writing the code, how to run this one? Run this code simply. Only for answer immediately. Display the immediately. Example A equal to 10. Here we can use a equal to 10, B equal to 20, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B, and the print of C. Directly you can run it, click it, click it. You can run automatically to open the new cell. These all are called as these are called cells. These are called cells. This is also one cell. This is also one cell. Indirectly these are called as notebooks. Clear, guys? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Allow me to other clear ga? Any doubts? And top 10 notebooks for Jupyter, top 10 IDEs for Python. This is very useful to students అని పక్క నేను అనుకున్నాను. దీన్ని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి, చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, to install all the IDEs. And okay, thank you very much.